Are you wondering if YouTube TV edits movies when they're streamed on the platform? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and explain what happens to movies on YouTube TV. If you're concerned about whether your favorite films are altered, you'll want to hear this. No, YouTube TV does not edit movies itself, but some movies may appear edited depending on the network or broadcaster airing them. For example, films shown on family-friendly channels like FX or USA Network might be trimmed for content or runtime to fit into specific time slots or adhere to rating guidelines. These edits are made by the networks, not YouTube TV. If you're looking for unedited versions of movies, you may need to rely on premium services like HBO Max, Disney Plus, or rentals through platforms like Google Play or Apple TV. Keep in mind that YouTube TV's DVR feature won't restore edited portions of a movie, as the changes happen at the source. If this video helped you understand how movies are presented on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.